So this is Barry and Kim here at a listing in Oaks Estates, and Kim spotted a herb garden that she would like me to install at home. So
this is
anyway, it's
unbelievable.
on the to-do list. So let's check this out. It's I'm going to step it a little bit too for measurements, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 yards. So it's going to be 30 foot that way, and then it's going to be
Unbelievable.
roughly 40 foot that way, so it's roughly 40 by 30. And
Growing now.
yeah, it's quite simply done with this fencing at the corners and this on the outer edge, so you can have plants and stuff there, and this will keep out animals. And then you have 3 raised beds, and the raised beds are probably 4 foot, I'm guessing. Yeah, 4 foot, but about 3 foot between them.
This is a chef's dream.
Yeah. The raised beds are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 24, 25 foot probably. Anyway, I'm just after getting another job to do. And this is the way it's framed out at the front, which is pretty nice.
Adorable.
Yeah. It is. It's quite neat the way it's done, to be honest with you. Alright, another job. Anyway, this is I'll add this one to the list. Alrighty.
Please.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright.